Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is my May unboxing for my Petit Vour box. So this month there are 2 full-size products. I am so excited about this. So there are 4 products, 2 of them are full-size, and I will let you know the total amount of value you get in this box. But just in case you have never heard of Petit Vour, Petit Vour is a cruelty-free, natural, organic, gluten-free, vegan kind of beauty subscription box. So you get sent 4 to 5 products every month. Sometimes there's a full size. Mostly they are deluxe size samples. And it's been a way for me to discover cruelty-free brands that I otherwise wouldn't know about. So I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna start with a face mask, and I'm actually gonna do this tonight. I'm really excited, and I hope I like it because it's banana, and banana scents are either great or they turn me off. But this is the Savannah Essentials Banana Colloidal Oatmeal Face Mask and Scrub. So this, there's the right side. So this is a packet with the face mask inside of it. So it says, say goodbye to dry skin. Mild banana and oatmeal work as a powerhouse duo to hydrate, soothe, and repair. I know that oatmeal is really good for hydration. I don't really have dry skin, but my skin is dehydrated, like it's oily, but I have to moisturize a lot to keep it hydrated. If you kind of think of it, oil and water are different. I have oil, I don't have enough water in my skin. That's basically what that means. So I think this will be really nice. I see that it is $12.50. This is $12.50 worth of product, and the full size is $25. So is it $25 just for 2 uses? I wonder how many uses I'll get out of this. This feels like a lot, like it's kind of thick. So we'll see. I'm gonna try to figure out later how many uses you get out of it, and maybe I'll put that down below in the description. Next, this is a sunset oil by Air NYC. It's spelled E-I-R NYC. This is $7 worth of product, and the full size is $35, so we're already up to $19.50. And I think I forgot to say this earlier, but this is an $18 subscription box, so we've already gotten more value than what we paid. This is an essential for beach bums. This after sun restorative body oil soothes sunburns and rehydrates parched skin damaged by sun, salt, and wind. This is an arnica and aloe infused body oil. It contains soothing essential oils and vitamins to heal parched skin damaged by the sun, salt, and wind. So the ingredients are olive oil, sweet almond oil, virgin coconut oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, vitamin E, arnica, calendula, chamomile essential oil blend. And they are the ones that are marked with an asterisk are organic, and there are a lot of organic ones. This is made in Brooklyn. It smells so good. It kind of smells like something you would use like after being at the beach. My only problem with products like this, the full size is $35. I don't think that you could buy all of the products that you would need to make this if you made it yourself, like for $35. So obviously it's more value to buy it. But I mean, the main ingredient is olive oil, and I have a real problem with like super cheap oils being used in like expensive products. I don't want that to sound really bad like towards the brand or anything. I just feel like I just don't know why, like if I'm gonna buy a body oil like this, I want it to be like something maybe luxurious. And maybe that's just me. Maybe like you wouldn't mind paying for an olive oil, almond oil combo that you could easily get at the grocery store and mix up yourself. Like I have most of these ingredients. I don't have the chamomile essential oil blend or the calendula or the arnica. I don't have like the stuff that makes this special. And it probably makes it smell really good. I'm sure it's worth the price. If you were to price out each ingredient, I'm sure it's worth the price. But I'm just like really leery of things that have like cheaper oils in them, and then they're like a premium price. But I'm sure it's the essential oils that kind of drive that up. But it smells amazing. And I know that it says it's for sunburns. I very, very seldom get sunburned because I avoid it. It's so bad for your skin. But if I'm outside and I feel like hot and like dry from being outside, that would be a really great option to use. The next two products are full-size products. I love Lauren B Beauty. The first Lauren B Beauty nail polish I got in a Petit Vour box. This is their cuticle oil. This is a full size and it's worth $20. So we are up to $39.50 already. Get your hands ready for summer with this lightweight blend of 12 botanical oils designed to nourish your hands and nails from the inside out. This has safflower oil, soybean oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, castor seed oil, rice bran extract, sunflower extract, rosemary leaf extract, ylang-ylang flower oil, olive fruit oil, and some other oils that I do not know about, but it says it's packed with super nourishing essential oils and vitamins. The antioxidant formula hydrates, heals, and protects. Twice daily, squeeze 1 drop onto each cuticle, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then massage into and around cuticles and nails. So the real kicker for me is going to be, after this gets into my skin, will I be able to use my cell phone? I'm just saying, like, I don't want to get my cell phone greasy after using this. Usually I do like cuticle oils or nail oils right at the end of the night, right when I'm about to go to sleep, so I'm not touching anything that could get greasy. But can we also just enjoy the packaging? How pretty and girly is that? I love that. I'll show you the color of nail polish that I have of hers really quick. It's right up on top because I love it. So this is I'm So LA. It's so pretty. It's so perfect for summer and spring. I'm really excited to use this. I stopped posting nail pictures on my Instagram like 2 years ago, maybe like a year and a half ago, because my cuticles always look bad. Like, I just could not get them to where I liked posting pictures of them. So I hope this helps out. Next is a product I'm wearing today. It's from Au Naturel. I love Au Naturel. They had a lip stain a few months ago in a Petit Vour box, which was a full size, and I use it like every day. So this is the Au Naturel Cosmetics Color Theory Cream Corrector, and it's $24. So we are up to $53? No, $19.39, $63.50, if I did the math right. So that's a lot of value for this box. The power of the color wheel is at your fingertips with this color correcting stick that conceals any skin quirk. So this is a super yellow, super thick color corrector, and the way I used it today was under my eyes. It was the first product I put under my eyes, then I put my eye brightener and then my concealer, and hello, no dark circles for now until I go out in the heat. So yeah, that's been amazing. That is going to replace what I've been using, which is a stick foundation. The stick foundation is a little bit drying, but for some reason under my eyes, it doesn't dry out my under eyes. I don't know why. It's kind of weird because I have such dry under eyes. I thought, shouldn't this stick foundation be drying it out? But it's not. Anyways, that is amazing. This is like super, super full coverage. So you only need a little bit. As you can see, I used it this morning and you can't even tell that I used it this morning. It's so great. I really like it. And let's see how far up this goes. Get quite a lot of product and it's gonna last a long time. I'm very happy with it. I love it. It's so good. I want to try more things from Au Naturel. I wonder if they have a foundation. That would be really good foundation Friday. Au Naturel foundation. I'll have to check them out. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll put all the information down below for these products that I can find online, and let me know what you have been loving this month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.